Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download webinar hosting assets from Zoom step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zoom website. Log into your Zoom account using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Zoom dashboard. Locate the Account Management option in the left-hand menu. Click on Account Management to expand it. From the expanded menu, select Reports. In the Reports section, you will find various report options. Click on Usage to access your webinar hosting assets. On the Usage page, select the date range for your desired webinar. Scroll down to find the list of webinars for the selected period. Locate the specific webinar you want to download assets from. Click on the webinar title to view its details. In the Webinar Details, find the Participants tab. Click on the Participants tab to view all attendee information. Look for the option to download the report as a CSV file. Click the Download button to save the participant report to your device. Return to the Webinar Details and locate the Recording option. Click on the Recording tab to access available recordings. Find the recording you want to download. Click on the download link next to the recording. The recording will begin downloading to your device. Repeat this process for any additional reports or recordings you need. Once all assets are downloaded, you're ready to use them as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.